Little Mermaid. And
what else, I guess, is
you have to take it out, all of it.
this.
Oh, is it a reading pencil?
What is that?
Reading pen?
Yep, sleep pen.
Oh.
You got a reading pen?
Yep.
You already know how to read. You don't need no reading pen.
But I need a reading pen.
You need it.
Some books I cannot read.
Oh, okay.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. I'm doing a video.
Okay. Now open that one.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's a pill pack.
It's a what?
I think it's a pill pack.
You think? I don't know. Could be just a pillow.
Pill pack. Pill pack. Hey, I got a pill pack.
Oh.
You can turn into a color ammo and you can swear to a pillow.
Come here, bring it over here.
What?
You can't see the pillow pad. That doesn't look like a ladybug.
Yeah, they're wearing a ladybug, so they're getting a bee.